What's up, YouTube? Danny B&H guy. Ecotric S900. Don't hesitate. Pick it up. Done 527 miles so far, guys, and this thing's a beast. I recently got a cell phone holder, so I attached this the other day. So far, so good with it. But yeah, I'm loving it. I'm here in Nashua, New Hampshire, Greeley Park on top of the hill. Very nice day today. But just enjoying the scenery. Just came back from Hudson, and now I'm back in Nashua. The bike's a beast. I'm loving it. I gotta adjust my brakes soon. That's the only thing you gotta stay on top of. Like you're constantly adjusting the brakes, but that's fine. But yeah, this thing's a beast, guys. A beast. So I ordered some stands that fit on your grips that you can flip the bike over and work on it. Ordered those last night online. I saw a video and I picked those up. So if I have to flip the bike over and take the tires off, I can put those on the handlebar, and it lifts the handlebars off the ground, so you don't break your control here, your display, your light, phone holder, all that good stuff. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be hitting the trail soon, so thanks for watching, and we'll talk soon. Peace.